Hello, and welcome to the Catalyst Condo video blog. Today, we're talking about a key reason why many people choose to live in condos. Community. There's nothing quite like the feeling you get knowing you belong somewhere, sharing a sense of pride and ownership with your neighbors. When your entire condo community embodies this belief in ownership pride, the atmosphere of a building can change. Here at Catalyst, we've seen what can happen when residents believe they are part of a community. They put the loving respect into their property together. While it may sound hokey, this sense of pride has a direct result on their actual condo maintenance costs as well, simply because people choose to take care of the place together. This all circles back to boosting your condo's community morale as a whole. Now, in turn, this makes your building culture a more desirable place to live, resulting in fewer vacancies and greater financial stability for the corporation as a whole. You might be thinking, sure, that all sounds great, but how do we make that happen in our condo building? One word: placemaking. Now, placemaking involves designating a public space towards a unique vision or goal, and then building towards that goal through community-centric incentives. This drives investment not just in the space itself, but also engagement from the condo users as a whole, encouraging them to connect. Now, when it comes to a condo community, building a successful space isn't really as simple as build it and they will come. There are a few things to keep in mind when building this community space. Now, first, give people a reason to gather. Ask your condo owners, what types of spaces do they want to create? Do you have a lot of kids in your condo who need a place to play? Lots of gardeners looking to put their green thumbs to practice in a community garden? Or how about artists who just want to come together in a place to create? The more you cater to the needs of your residents, the more successful your community will be. Next, make your space stand out. Make this a place that people want to be in and is worthy of conversation. Get creative, have fun, take risks, and make it attractive for people to spend their time there. Third, and this is crucial, have a board subcommittee spearhead the project. No matter how much your condo community might be craving a particular space, there needs to be some organizational hierarchy behind it to make sure it takes off and doesn't peter out. Now, looking at a community garden, there needs to be a system in place for the plants to be consistently watered, weeded, and cared for. Without a clear understanding of how the subcommittee plans to maintain these items, the garden will either be chaos or a dead waste of space. And finally, have patience. Community places do not happen overnight. It takes patience, perseverance, and persistence to build and instill a true community feeling. Even more when you're working towards a common cause or interest. Sometimes, designating a specific place on your condo's property isn't realistic, especially in urban centers. Now here, we encourage you to help your residents build community beyond the walls of your condo complex. Keep an eye on relevant activities in your neighborhood and inform your residents about them on your common area bulletin board or online community forums. This essentially lets you piggyback on the community building already happening in your area. Not a bad idea. With time and patience, placemaking and subcommittees, and even connecting with the neighborhood that surrounds you, it won't be long before you see your condo residents invest themselves more and more in your condo community. Now, before we sign off, tell us, have you kickstarted a community initiative in your condo building? We'd love to hear about it. Or if you still have a few questions to start your own condo community space, give us a call. Building greater condo communities is something we thrive in.